Rosealee, what if you breathe again?
Me a gon' yam it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hello?
Good night.
Good night.
Am I reading it, please?
Me no like you. Yeah.
What could you give me? I have an issue as well. I would like this person to love me. So, what kind of soap you have?
Can't you see? Rosealee, what if you breathe again?
Me a gon' yam it.
You sure?
Yeah.
'Cause I see a baby.
Well, that's good to you.
I don't want you near me.
Well, me no want no more baby. You don't see set time hard.
But you can afford it. You do TikTok and you begging. And the man want baby. Make it be 3 picnic.
Well, sorry. Me no want a baby.
Hello. Hello.
I got molested around 6 to 7 times before I come where I am right now. I'm not going to mention where I am, but where I am right now.
Is that the uncle?
No.
The people that look at them hear your business. Me them must say the father and I comment.
No.
Okay, so that mean they were wrong then.
No, father never go that far. My uncle never do nothing like that to me because he loved me like the ground we walk on.
That's me that they might try to speculate. They might try to speculate. They might say they go, why you read out people them? Everybody turn reader.
Hold on. Let me answer them. No, there is no friend. There is no cousin. There is no brother. There's no stepfather. There's nobody at all there. So we're not talking about none. It was random people in the community that I was living that was doing stuff like that to me.
Oh.
So no, I was not related to none of these people. No pastor, no minister, no sister man, nothing like that.
What a way you add for comment.
But I did get cheated on when it come on to my sister and her baby father. Cause my sister, my so-called boyfriend, cheat on
Who
me.
you comment to? May I the comment?
No, the comment me I answer.
Yeah, but who you comment to? I make them read it then. Don't go and read that. No, I'm not going to talk to them. May I come? Let them go and read that.
No, my sister went and dated my ex-boyfriend when I was. So no, what do you mean by girl bye? Were you there with me when I was getting molested by all these men? Were you? Molestation is not something for people to laugh about. That's where I am. That's where I'm glad
That is why you should talk to me.
Okay.
And make sure say to yourself, me, you come here too. You never come here to them. So me don't know why you are arguing with them. And them people are going to class and talk and them going to say anything and tell you about your ass. So why you are arguing with them? First thing them should ask you, fuck, I read your car, me you come to.
Okay, Artie. But no, I'm not arguing because
No pay them mind.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm back to you now, Mr. RT. As we were saying, right? You were saying about my finance and stuff. Because I was telling you that I went and did a course around the same time of my uncle, but things just never really go that way for me. As much as I try to open up my own store, it just not work.
All right. So you need to buy a soap on my website named Come To Me Soap.
Okay.
And you need to go on a 3-day fasting.
Okay.
You can do that for me, please?
Sure.
The lady when it's supposed to call and me cut you off, you watch me and you have me tell you to get me back. Now hear me. You go and read Psalms 23 over a glass of water and drink it right now. Please. I want you to drink it, because if you even don't get to me, I want to give you a miracle, instant blessing. Please. Girl, please hang up your phone where you can't pay the bill, please. Commercial break. Commercial break. So, Brittany, all right, commercial break. Ladies and gentlemen who are watching me from there, let me ask you a positive question.
What could you give me? I have an issue as well. I would like this person to love me. So, what kind of soap you have?
Well, in the situation of you want somebody to love you, I really don't offer that service. The person have to genuinely love you naturally. So for making the man love you, I don't offer that type of service. Because if you come to me, I'm going to tell you that the man don't want you. So the man have to naturally want you, and then me advise you what to do with the man who want you.
Well, he don't really want me.
Well, me can't help you. You get it? All right. Gentle people, I'm going to go over Otto. I'm going to go over, what name? Me I come at you tomorrow. I'm going to go over Otto. I'm going to go over, where next Rasta one name? I'm going to done $500. $500 pound one, $200 pound one. Can't give me back. No, $600 pound one and $500 pound. But anyway, I beg $500. Roger. See? Don't money. So I beg some gift. Give me money when I give Roger. Because tomorrow I'm going to go over. So beg you some gift, please. Will you give me just recycle it and give back people? So can I ask you for some gift, please? May I watch who give me gift? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want me to come, Mr. RT? That's it for me tonight.
Oh, Ross, you still there?
Yes, a commercial break.
Oh, then we take the commercial break with you. All right. Anything you want to say to people before you go?
All I can say is that each and every person, they make their own bed, they lay in it. Thank you so much, Mr. RT.
Why you so... And you want to tell me a comment, say? You want to tell me a comment to tell you now?
No, it's alright, man.
Bye, girl. Bye. Bye, girl.
Alright.
Because I know you actually comment for. I take her around phone, I'm not going to make she style, you know. Because I don't know what she feel like. Thank you, Interstellar! Interstellar, wait! Thank you, Interstellar. Right, she had phone. Thank you. All right, go give Brittany one gift for me now because I can't do my friend that Brittany. Go give my friend Brittany one gift for me now. 5 royal family go over there get some money gone and spend 100 US per her. Spend 100 US per you, Brittany. Okay, you know I'm a friend, you know. Spend 100 per Brittany. You go over and get her some gift. Please. Please. Make she smile. You know? Spend that money per Brit. You know, but the business if the match gone. Still send it. Make the number move up. Spend that money, Pam Brit. Spend that money, Pam Brit. Ooh. Brittany?
Yeah.
Hello? I got to one good. Alright, let me one on there. So, Brittany, what you want to ask me?
So, how's your night going?
Good comedy, help people. Hello?
Good night.
Good night.
Am I reading, please?
Me no like you.
Yeah.
Me no like you.
I'm because so much. Me try call, no answer.
Me no like you. Your class, me you talk things about me.
I make you not like me.
Because you chat about things about me and class, me and me hear them can't hear things. With me, you're a hypocrite. You're a cheer for cheese. Me no want to do with you. Fuck off. Oh, sorry about that. My apology. I'm sorry about that. I'm do sorry about that. Sometimes I can be happy. I do apologize. Me no want to use that and judge me. Don't judge me. Sorry, do. Me beg you, no judge me. You know never use everything judge me. Hello? The phone a malfunction because everybody will call me. You see, like, alright, let me tell you about it. You see, when you answer the phone, it answer. But